This brand is made in China for Cleveland, North America Inc. and can be purchased directly through their website or their Amazon store. The air purifiers feature 3 stages of filtration and a 5-speed fan, but they do not include an air quality sensor for automatic operation, but they are backed by a decent guarantee. The 850E model is for smaller rooms such as bedrooms with a 850 square feet coverage area, and they have a night light as well as a 3-speed fan with a 25 decibel noise rating on low speed. The 1200E model has a 1,200 square feet coverage area, while the 1500E has a 1,500 square feet coverage. The 2300E model has a 2,300 square feet coverage area and built-in Wi-Fi, so the unit can be controlled through a smartphone app. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.